Hey guys, so today I will make a cheap 21 pesos or 41 cents if that's in dollars hair care routine using only 3 products. And also this hair care routine is actually great to follow if you're suffering from hair fall or if your hair is dry and damaged. And I'm actually very interested to know if these 3 products would work well on my hair. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the products that I'm using and also their prices. Alright, so the first one right here is the Pantene Hair Fall Control, and that's only 8 pesos. And then we also have the Pantene Pro V 3-minute hair fall conditioner. And then I also found this keratin deep conditioning treatment, and this is only for 5 pesos. Alright, let's do this. So first of all, I'm just gonna wet my hair and then use the shampoo. Alright, there we go. Honestly, I'm not even sure if this can fit my whole hair, but we'll have to see. I only shampoo my scalp anyway, so I think this should be enough. That's a lot. You know, wow, it actually smells good. I haven't really used Pantene shampoo in such a long time. Alright, so now I am going to use the hair mask, and then I'm going to use the conditioner last. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my hair. It says here that it's paraben free and it's a 1-minute treatment. That's cool. I think this should be enough for my hair. Actually, I'm very impressed that all of these products actually really smell good. I like good smelling hair care products. I'm also going to put that on my ends. And the content of this is really just enough for my hair. I was worried that it won't fit my whole hair, but it did, so that's great. So I'm going to leave this on my hair for 1 minute, and then after that I will wash the shampoo and the hair mask off my hair. So now that I've finished rinsing it off, I am going to apply the Pantene Pro V 3-minute Miracle Hair Fall Control. So the conditioner actually is quite a few for my hair. I feel like if you have medium length hair, this would be enough for you, but my hair is really long. But I don't think I actually needed the conditioner because the hair mask did a really great job at moisturizing my hair. But I feel like when I use this, I'm just gonna use this on the bottom part of my hair. On my ends especially. That's just really my area of concern, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave this on my hair for 3 minutes, and then after that I'll rinse it off. Okay, so right now I'm just going to air dry my hair, and then I will be right back as soon as my hair is completely dry, and I'm gonna let you all know what I think about this whole hair care routine. You guys, so this is the result of it. I actually really like how my hair smells right now, and this is the first time that I've used Pantene products again, because I think the last time I used Pantene products is when I was in my early 20s. It's been definitely a long time. I forgot how it actually smells good, and I really do like how it made my hair very soft. Plus, of course, the hair mask. The hair mask was really great as well. And at first, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of underestimated it and thought that my hair wouldn't respond to it very well. But so far, my hair has been really liking it because my hair feels very, very soft and smooth right now. I really do like its result. And this hair care routine only costs me 21 pesos. It's probably one of the cheapest and the less products that I use on a hair care routine, but it surprisingly delivered good results. So yeah, I'm just very happy that this worked out great for my hair. And I also like how it kind of gave my hair more volume and body. And it did a really good job in cleaning out my hair and also moisturizing all over my hair, especially my ends. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!